Well, hey guys, today I'm on the Allure of the Seas, and I thought I'd just take my camera and we're going to go in the arcade and do a little walking tour. I've never been in this arcade before, so this is my first time too. So, hey, hopefully this will get you an idea of what the arcade looks like before you're bored. Well guys, I hope that little video helped you out, kind of give you an idea of what the arcade looks like. At the end here I'm going to put an end screen with all my Allure of the Seas videos, so you might check that out. But hey, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy cruising.